Hello my viewers, my name is Tulan Hlachwayo. I welcome you to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below. We are still dealing with right angle triangles, trigonometric ratios, lesson number 3. Right, so we have our right angled triangle as usual with the 90 degrees there. Right, now we want to find a missing side. Remember, in the previous lesson, we were dealing with a missing angle, but now we want to find a missing side. So you will find that you will be given an angle. Let's use the same angle in the previous lesson, which is 53,13. And then you will be given one side. You are given hypotenuse, but you are told to find opposite. So when you are asked to find a missing side, you will be given one side and you will be given an angle. Then you can find a missing side. So remember, we come here, we said so toya. So now you find out that we have hypotenuse. We are given hypotenuse, which is equals to 5. And opposite is x. We are asked to find opposite, but we have an angle. So we have opposite and hypotenuse in place. So we are going to use sine, which is sine 53,13 is equals to opposite of hypotenuse, which is x, which is x over 5. So now we make x the subject of the formula now, which is x is equals to 5 times sine 53,13. Then we go to our calculator, we punch, and then we are given that it's 3,99, which is when we round it off, you get 4. So this is our x, the missing side. Right, let's try to use another trig ratio, which is not sine now. So let's assume now we are given. Now let's assume we are given. We are told to find x, which is adjacent, but still we are given hypotenuse, which is 5. And then we are told to. So now our hypotenuse is 5 and adjacent. We have adjacent there. X we are told to find. So where there is hypotenuse and adjacent, that is cos. So cos 53,13 is equals to adjacent, which is x, over hypotenuse, which is 5. So make x the subject of the formula. So x becomes x is equals to 5 times cos 53,13. Right, what do we get when we punch into our calculator? We get 3,1, which is actually 3. When you round it off, it gives you 3. X is 3. Okay, let's try another trig ratio, which is not a cos now, which is tan. Right, here now, let's say you are given adjacent, but you are told to find what? Opposite, which is what? A missing side, x there. So we know that we have got adjacent in place, which is actually 3, and opposite, the missing one. So now what to do, because there is adjacent and opposite. Adjacent and opposite, that is tan, which is opposite of adjacent. So that's tan 53,13 is equals to opposite over adjacent, but that is x over our adjacent is 3. So make x the subject of the formula. So x is equals to 3 times tan 33,13. Then you punch into your calculator there. What do you get? You get 3,99. That is equals to 4. So our x is equals to 4. Thank you for watching. Let's meet into the next lesson.